Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Step 1. Identify the parent chain ring. The compound contains a benzene ring as the principal cyclic structure, which forms the base of the IUPAC name benzoic acid when a carboxylic acid group is directly attached to it. Step 2. Identify substituents. There are two groups on the benzene ring, A, ChO, carboxylic acid group, and B, CH is equal to CH2, vinyl ethanol group. These two groups are located at opposite ends of the ring, para relationship, i.e. 1, 4 positions. Step 3. Assign principal characteristic group. The carboxylic acid, ChO, is the principal characteristic group and defines the parent name. When ChO is directly attached to benzene, the parent name is benzoic acid and C1 is the carbon-bearing ChO. Step 4. Name the substituent. The CH is equal to CH2 group is a vinyl group. In IUPAC nomenclature it is called ethanol, ethane, for the 2-carbon alkene, while for the substituent form. Step 5. Assign locant. Since ChO is at C1 by definition in benzoic acid, the ethanol group at the para position receives the locant 4, giving 4-ethanol. Step 6. Combine parent is equal to benzoic acid, substituent is equal to 4-ethanol, full name is equal to 4-ethanobenzoic acid. No alternative options are provided in this question, so no elimination step is needed. Therefore, the correct answer is 4-ethanobenzoic acid. The correct answer is shown on screen.